Okay, folks, so this is the album. I do have a tutorial on the cover because I know a bunch of people are going to be asking about this. This is a faux leather cover that I made. I'm going to have a tutorial on my channel on how I made this. It's really easy. It's just using a paper grocery bag and a few limited supplies. So that's that. This is a collaboration project with Vectoria Designs. I used their Dragon Treasure crafting kit. So it's got journal pages, it's got ephemera pieces, cut-aparts, full 8.5 by 11 pieces. It's got so much to it. It's absolutely incredible. So I will put the link down below to check that out. All right, so we've got the cover. I've done this is what underneath here is one of the cut aparts. This is like a domed piece, and it's like a dragon egg underneath there. So I've got one of their journaling cards, like a big journal page here. I've actually gone around and burnt the edges of it because I'm like, it's a dragon inspired book. It has to have some burning stuff somewhere, right? Something that was on fire. I've done some metal corners here, and then wrapped 3 tiny little pieces of chipboard here just to create a little dimension on the spine and make it look a little bit more like an old school book or tome. On the inside, here we go. I'm not gonna talk about the papers because I really want you to go and check out the tutorial, and I go through all of the papers there, and that will be very soon. So this opens up like this, and space for journaling or a photo, and then another spot here. I tried to make it so there was lots of open spaces for photos, because places like this you might not want to cover that up with a photo. That's too pretty. So there's spots over here for photos. Some gorgeous elements here. That's the inside front cover. Down here, they've got a lot of chipboard, a lot of sayings, and I just backed them on chipboard. So if the sky could dream, it would dream of dragons. I really like that. And then this is a set of some dragon eggs. So this is a swing tab, and this opens up and out to the side twice. So room for a few smaller pictures there. And then that swivels back in place, and this whole thing opens to the side, and then this opens to the side, and this is left open so that you can stick something under there and under there. And then these pages are all pocket pages, so this comes all the way out, so you can put some photos and journaling on that as well. And it magnetizes back into place. Okay, on the next pages, it says Mystical Adventure up here, and this pulls down, and then this goes up, and then both of these also open up and down. And then I've got a pocket. This is part of the collection as well. It's got pocket pieces, and then it's got a little envelope as well. I haven't got it. I'm meant to put a little secret note in the envelope. I haven't done that yet. And then this is another part of the kind of cut aparts from the collection. And then this is a big pocket here, and I love this, the dragon egg identification. I love that one. And then another little folder here. Okay, so those go back into the pocket. And then over here, this opens to the side and to the side, another little pocket. And then this one goes to the side, and this goes to the side, and more spaces for photos, a couple of the little sayings up there. This opens to the top, and then this opens to the side. More room for photos and journaling. This is just adhered right in the center, so there's room on either side here. Either side to stick a photo under. And then here, these are just part of the, just some of the pattern paper, and I've just backed them on chipboard and they're magnetized. So those both go to the side. And then this is a big open pocket here. And then this is a nice big kind of pull out, like it's one of those, it's like a big accordion. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit it all on screen. So there's like 4 sections to the accordion, and then when you flip it over, there's 4 sections. I don't have enough room on my desk, 4 sections on this side. So a nice big accordion fold. You could fit a lot in there. And then on the final back cover, it's kind of mirroring the front cover. This opens up, and then an on-page pocket with a couple pieces from the collection. And then this opens to the side, another one of the cut-aparts. And then some of the nice pattern paper and a couple, like a border strip and some little fussy cutting there. All right, so that is the Dragon Treasure album. So again, the album tutorial will be out in the next couple days, and it will be shown on both my YouTube channel and the Vectoria Designs channel. There will also be tutorial that has a box that the album fits into perfectly and a journal. You can check it out on both of our channels. So I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. I hope you will return for the tutorial, and I will link the tutorial for creating the faux leather cover as well down below. And yeah, lots more tutorials and crafting excitement to come in the near future. I've got a lot of things that I'm working on. So I hope you're doing well and staying safe and loving one another, and I will see you soon. Big hugs. Bye.